back to my channel, and for today's video we're gonna go bike hunting. I need to get a bike because summer is fast approaching, so we really need to get me a bike so that we can go biking with my husband. So join me as we look for my bike, and I don't think maybe we'll get a little bit of groceries, so let's go. Let's go. Okay guys, we're off to the mall now. There are good bikes there, but we want to like get another options for the bike. So off to Sport Check to see if we can find a bike there. And there, the London Drugs there, or this, or that entrance there, the London Drugs.
London Drugs entrance is Sport Check.
No, just go there and then we will turn left, and then that's the Sport Check.
Where am I going?
So you can park there.
I'm parking here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Online pickup. There's no parking space. Oh, there is. Aha! Good job, my love. And we're here, guys. We're in the mall. Yes. So let's go inside. To the mall. Ooh, look at that. Huh? Like something like, oh, that one. Here. This? We're now here at Walmart, guys. So this is our third store now for my bike hunting. Hi guys! So this is our second day of my bike hunting. So I hope we will get my bike today because we really need to go biking with my husband. So sana so naka three stores na kami. So we went to Walmart, Canadian Tire, and Sport Check. So guess, hula nyo if saan store ako nakabili. So, as of now, hindi pa din namin alam if saan doon sa tatlo. But for sure, we will get a bike today. That's really, really sure. So, join me! So guys, now it's raining. So, the winner is a Sport Check at the mall. I do hope we can get the bike there. I just really hope. So let's see. Here's the bike, guys. Look it. So guys, we're gonna do an unboxing video. Actually, nag-order ako kasi diba, I've got my bike. Hi Quinn. So I've got my bike. So now, bumili ako sa Amazon ng mga accessories for vlogging. So I don't know if I'm gonna take this seriously, but yun, bumili ako. So, now let's unbox it. So, which is which? We're gonna open the big one or the small box? So, ganito lang siya. So, ang laki ng box niya, diba guys? Laki. Ang laman lang niya. This one. Here. This one. Nag-order ako ng new phone case. Yellow, my favorite colors. And then this one. This is the phone holder for bike. So let's open it. Okay. And then this one. So, empty na yung box niya, guys. So, this one. Ito, actually, naganap ako dito sa Walmart or sa online. It's a little bit expensive kasi I think $18 for this. Pero nakakita ako sa Shein. It's only $7. I don't know the quality, but yeah. So this is a laptop holder. Gimbal stabilizer. Kasi may mga nagko-comment na shaky or masakit sa mata yung ibang video kasi nga shaky siya. So I decided to get this one. Actually, yung other brand na So, actually, dalawa to. First one, yung first brand is yung DJI. So, alam naman natin, DJI, it's a bit expensive. But yung product niya is talagang sulit dun sa price. And, pinagpipilian ko ito or yung DJI. Yung DJI, mas mahal lang siya ng konti dito. But, yung DJI kasi, handle lang siya. I'm gonna show you later what's the difference. So, let's open it first. Ayan. So, this. If you feel good about our product, we have few suggestions for you to express your newfound happiness during your video creation. So, yung brand nito is Moza. Para sa mga Mozang kapitbahay. So, Moza, tama-tama. Chismosa, video-video lang. Char. So, this one, and booklet, manual. Yan. So, this is it. Hala! Siyempre, hindi ko alam gamitin. Diba? Hindi ko alam gamitin. Nangangain ng tanga. Ayan. Diba? Hindi niya ako makain. So, ayan. Kung DJI, wala siyang ganito. Wala siyang stand. Wala siyang stand na ganito. You have to pay, how much for this? I think $30 para bumili na may stand na ilalagay mo dito. So, ayan, pag pwede to, yan, like, something like this. There you go. So, ayan siya, diba? So, may stand. Yung DJI, wala. Wala siyang stand. So, inisip ko, if same din naman siya ng feature, and pareho din naman ng purpose niya, so, why not, diba? Ito na lang, a little bit cheaper. I think this is $8 or $10 cheaper. Plus, meron pa siyang stand na ganito. So, yun ang kinonsider ko. Instead, na branded niya na DJI ang gimbal, pero wala pa siyang stand. So, mas mapapamahal ako, diba? Eh, alam na, creeps ang lola nyo. So, it comes with a bag. Like this. Wait. Yeah. A bag. And a connector. And for charging it, this one, charger, for charger. Yan. That's it. So I think this is really better than the DJI. I don't know, I hope okay siya. Itatry natin siya. Itatry natin siya today because we're going to Costco today. So, let's try it there and see if sulit nga ba ang bili natin dito. If you wanna know how much I got this is $99, $100 for this, and then this, yes, this is $99. And then, meron pa akong isang in-order kaso. Sa Tuesday pa ang dating niya. Ano lang yun, yung hair scrubber. Kasi, you know, nagda-dry ang scalp ng lola nyo. So, kailangan i-scrub siya. So, yan, bumili din ako na. So, let's see if paano gamitin ito. Okay? So, and yun.